Now that I've verified that these are not Lafufus and they are actually Labubus, let's go ahead and unbox them. Believe it or not, guys, I don't really care if I get the secret or not. I really want lychee berry, soy milk, and sea salt coconut. I would be happy with any of them, and I think I have a good chance of getting most of them in this pack. Okay, so which one do we want to open? Oh, I'm so excited. Let's go with this one. Okay, let's go ahead and open her up. And I'm just gonna, whoop. And I'm gonna try really hard not to look at the card. Just kind of wanna open it blindly. I will show you guys first. So yeah, and then you guys can see. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh my God, I get lychee berry, the first one. I'm so excited. Literally, this whole pack was because I was like, I want the pink one so bad. She's so cute. I'm excited. Okay, now I'm feeling cocky, so let's go ahead. I really want sea salt coconut, so let's see if that's what we got here. These are so fun. Okay, so again, we're gonna try to open away from the face. I don't want the card to slip out or anything. Okay, and then I'm gonna open, and then I'm gonna show you guys before I see. No, oh, okay. Okay, no, but this one is so cute. Which one is this one? This one is sesame bean. Honestly, like, I love the colors, but these like more neutral tones will probably go with a lot of the bags that I have. Okay, I'm still gunning for sea salt coconut, so let's just go with this one. Oh my gosh. These are so addicting, honestly. I could do this all day. Okay. And then sometimes I know like the cards will be at the top and I'm really trying to avoid that. Okay, ready? Truly, honestly, I want all of them, so I'm gonna be happy. No freaking way. I told you guys. I can honestly stop here and be happy, but I do want, is it soy milk? Yeah, I really want soy milk, so let's just hope that this one is soy milk. Ooh. Okay. All right, and I didn't open it all the way. Okay. Ooh, this one's green grape, right? Green grape. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I love the colors. The colors are so cute. I think some people expect if you buy the 6-pack, you're gonna get one of each, but I have seen people get multiples. So I honestly wouldn't be mad if I got a multiple because it'll just be a gift. But it's just, you know, I don't like giving the gift already open, but here we are. Okay, so I still want soy milk. I have a feeling soy milk is in one of these. Like, I have a really good feeling. Okay, so let's go ahead. Come on, soy milk. Oh no, I opened it all weird. Okay, whatever. So let's see. Yes, see, I'm telling you guys, I have a sixth sense for this. Last but not least, and honestly, I'm a little sad about it because these are really fun to open. Okay. I've been pretty good about not getting the card at the top, so let's just go ahead and, ooh. Oh, I love it. Which one is this one? Toffee? Yeah, she's gorgeous. I actually really think Toffee, like, I mean, she matches my outfit right now. Like, she's gonna be one that I use a lot. Okay, now I have to introduce all of my new Labubus to my current Labubus. I only have 2 currently, but they're the Have-A-Seats, and I do want the rest of those. So we'll see, maybe I'll get another 6-pack. Bye.